Boom, what's up everybody? My name is Naimah. You can call me Naimah because I'm your best YouTube friend. And today we are going to be making Play-Doh. And it's not my first time making Play-Doh, and I am very excited to make Play-Doh. We're doing this outside because it might be a little messy. Sorry for the noise. There are people down at the beach. So, yep. Let's get into this Play-Doh stuff. Okay, so for the ingredients, you are going to be needing a bowl of water and a spoon. It doesn't have to be a teaspoon. Some dye. It's optional. You can have your Play-Doh white, but I like my Play-Doh colored because who doesn't? Some salt. You're definitely going to be needing some salt. Some flour. I'm using self-raising flour. You can use something else. You can use a different flour. A mixing spoon and a container. Okay, let's make this thing. So this is homemade. I haven't got it off the internet or anything. Because when I was small, I used to make Play-Doh. So you're gonna take one spoon. I'm just gonna pour it inside. Then you're gonna get your flour. We're gonna pour that inside. Okay, and done. Okay, now after that, you're just gonna mix. So there should be some water in there, and you should just be starting to mix a little. You want to get the Play-Doh to so some bits are some bits are connecting and coming together. So you're gonna mix it. You can add some more flour, but that's what I'm gonna do now. And then you're gonna mix it in. You don't want it to be too hard, like I said. So you should spread the flour around your bowl. So in case you do need, in case your Play-Doh's too watery, you have flour there. Okay, so now you're just gonna take it in your hands and you're just gonna squish it together to get it in that doughy type. Sort of like you're making cookies. You're gonna squish it together. So it should start ending up like this. So it should start ending up like this. Nice type of dough. So you're gonna continue on making it like that. You can get the rest of the dough in the corners, and you can just I call it dough because it's just easier. But in this case, you can get the rest of your Play-Doh. So obviously my dye here, I'm gonna get green. Open it. Okay, now Play-Doh and dye, you can't exactly, it will just pour right off. So what you have to do is you kind of have to roll it into a bowl. And then you have to kind of make a hole inside, like a bowl. And then you're gonna dip a few drops in there. There we go. Okay, and now we're just gonna squish it together. You guys are probably thinking, won't it make it watery and all that? It will make it very watery if you put a lot of dye in it, because dye is obviously liquid and water is liquid, so it will make water. But it is completely fine. So you can continue on adding dye to it, and yep. So I'm afraid this is the end of the video, and I just want to say, please comment down below on what you guys want me what you guys want to experiment on, and I'll do it. Like any slimes, any life hacks, any new Play-Dohs or anything like that, please comment down below and I will do it. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye!